It was one of the worst disasters in American history. But as victims of the recent wildfires look to rebuild,
we're going to do this in Altadena. It's our house burned down.
a few are hoping to do it differently.
I take this climate crisis thing seriously. I mean, it's not going to get any better.
Ellen Stortland watched her home burn on television after evacuating from Altadena during the Eaton fire. Now she's planning to build again using the dirt on her property, constructing a super adobe home.
Make sure you get to know your land a little bit before you dive right in.
She came to this open house by Cal Earth to learn more about the process.
These are earthquake, flood, and fireproof.
Cal Earth is a nonprofit founded by Nader Khalili, an Iranian architect who developed a modern adobe home using earth architecture.
He took the old tradition of adobe that he came from in his home in Iran and modernized it using sandbag and barbed wire.
Bridget Butler is the executive director of the Cal Earth Institute. She says every open house has been sold out since the fires.
And you can see right here in this little window nook how thick the walls are.
This 3-bedroom, 2-bath super adobe is what most come to see. It looks like any home, but each room is a series of coiled walls made into circles or ovals. And although there are many things that folks find appealing about these adobe homes, one of its biggest strengths is actually in its shape. These dome-shaped rooms are one of the things that help protect it from the environment.
The arch shape is the strongest shape in nature,
making it unshakable and harder to wash away or burn.
Instead of working against nature or trying to beat nature at its own game, it works in harmony with nature.
Which is exactly what Stortland wants.
We are going to have to deal with extreme weather for the rest of our lives. To pretend otherwise is really folly.
She and her husband have now lost a home to fire, one to floods, and another to a mudslide. So they are tired of fighting the storm.
I don't see anybody doing anything radical. So what I can do is make my home radical.
Using the oldest tool literally on Earth to try and weather the environment's ever-changing tide of destruction. Joy Benedict, KCAL News.